The latest milestone in the construction of Everton's new stadium has captured the attention of fans and the footballing world alike, with the installation of the first batch of commemorative stones along the iconic Everton Way. These customized stones, engraved with the names and messages of fans and supporters, symbolize the deep connection between the club and its community. This unique feature allows fans to leave a permanent mark on the stadium, embedding their support and legacy into the heart of Everton's future home. Everton Way will eventually feature thousands of these personalized stones, covering an impressive 4,000 square meters, each representing a story, a memory, or a lifelong dedication to the club. This ambitious endeavor is not only a massive undertaking, but also the largest personalization project of its kind in the UK. Fans from all walks of life have contributed their stories and names to the project, ensuring that their presence will forever be etched into the club's history. The intricate process of laying these stones is expected to take several months, showcasing the care and precision required to make Everton Way a fitting tribute to the supporters. Each stone reflects a personal connection to the club, turning the stadium's entrance into a tapestry of shared memories, unity, and pride. To make Everton Way even more special, fans will soon be given the tools to locate their stone with ease. As the project progresses, Everton will email supporters, providing a simple map that pinpoints the exact location of their personalized stone. This thoughtful gesture ensures that when fans arrive at the new stadium for the first time, they can quickly and easily find their contribution to this iconic pathway. These emails are expected to be sent later in the summer, once the entire installation and mapping process is completed. For those who haven't yet secured their place in Everton history, there is still time. A limited number of stones remain available for purchase, giving fans the chance to be part of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. By visiting evertonway.com, supporters can leave their mark on the club's legacy and forever be a part of Everton's story. Everton Way is more than just a path. It's a celebration of the unity, pride, and tradition that define the Everton community. As the installation continues, it's clear this unique project will make the new stadium not just a venue, but a home filled with memories, passion, and the enduring spirit of Evertonians. This initiative highlights Everton's commitment to making its new home a true sanctuary for its fans, blending modernity with tradition. Everton Way will not only welcome supporters on match days, but also serve as a permanent reminder of the unwavering loyalty that defines the Everton community. As the installation progresses, it promises to create a stunning visual representation of what it means to be an Evertonian, making the new stadium a place of pride for generations to come. Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know if there are other football projects you'd like us to explore.
Lots and lots of planning, making sure we know exactly where people are going to be going, and this is the hard work's really starting now in terms of telling fans where they're going to be, so when you turn up to a stadium for the first time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. See you next time.